Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make something really sweet with you. Now, I've made them already before and they taste so good that I wanted you to also know so you can get them yourself. Now, this is called Tasty Lab, and you make your own lollipops and your own little candy rings. Now, we already did the blue raspberry, so now we're going to do the cherry flavor. So let's go. This is everything that we're going to use today, from the instruction manual, the candy thermometer, the little container to mix the to measure the sugar, the little mold, the ring, the little lollipop sticks, and of course, the most important, let's go. This will be to help us cool it at the end. We'll come back to this. 80 milliliters of water going in. This really does smell so good. Now in it goes. Give it a little stir. And now we have to go dry our beaker real quick. We dried our beaker so we could add 100 milliliters of sugar. Give that a quick mix. And then we had to add 80 more. Let's give it a little stir. Now we just have to wait for it to dissolve, and then it will be all ready to cool and be turned into delicious candy. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring. Well, that is until it's dissolved. Then we're gonna add our candy thermometer and get really going. Look at it go! Woo! It's almost there. It's gonna be so great. Can't wait. This is what it looks like after about 10 minutes of boiling. We have about 10 more minutes until it reaches about 290. That's 290 degrees Fahrenheit. And if we're doing Celsius, it's 143. We're almost there. While that finishes boiling, we're getting everything ready. So when it's done, it's all ready to go to make some yummy lollipops. Hot off the stove and right into the water to cool. Now that it has stopped bubbling and has cooled down a little bit, we're going to spoon it in. All right, and I'm gonna put the ring. Little explosion, but that's awesomely okay. And then we'll turn. These surprisingly started to harden very quickly. So I feel like I'm racing time almost, because I'm going to show you. These are all done. Now I barely, it's very hot, but I barely just, yeah, look. Yeah, so be very careful and very quick. I'm gonna have to heat this back up to get it all onto here, but very quick. See how they came out? They came out really great. I'm super excited. Let's see. These are, yeah, these are amazing, just like the other ones were. You guys really need to try these. They really are super sweet. Well, friends, it's been a great time, as always, with you. Now remember to keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more and more fun.